This is OT Sports Cards 11-12 Dominion Hockey Box Break number 2. Show you guys the date and time. That was the last team, Boston Bruins. Ended April 19th, 2013. There's the serial number. And I'll show you the serial number on the box. That's NE189823060. Okay, let's open it. Empty. Okay, let's get rid of the decoy. Another decoy. Okay, first hit is base for the San Jose Sharks, Patrick Marleau, numbered 188 out of 199. Nice hit for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Pen Pals dual auto, Ben Scrivens, Felix Potvin, numbered 8 of 50. Yep, Toronto. Nice hit for the Edmonton Oilers. Ryan Nugent Hopkins, numbered out of 99. Whoever bought Edmonton, they're going to be happy. Check out that patch. Nice hit for the Oilers. Next up, we got autograph patches of Pavel Datsyuk for the Detroit Red Wings. Next, we have All-Star Complete jersey of Keith Yandle for the Phoenix Coyotes. Numbered 13 out of 15. Nice card. Next is a Mike Green jersey, numbered 58 out of 100 for the Washington Capitals. Jersey Prime, numbered 3 out of 25 for the Boston Bruins, Tuukka Rask. And the last card is a base for the New York Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist, numbered 97 out of 199. Okay, thanks for watching, and keep a lookout for any more box breaks on my eBay.